Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a set of colored pencils. And I feel like this is kind of the Crayola crayon box equivalent of mechanical pencils. These, I found these on Amazon, and these were suggested by a viewer from on another video. And the set is relatively inexpensive. It was like $12 for the set of 36 colored pencils. So if you're looking for some colored pencils to color with, if these are not awful, this might not be a bad choice. So let's see if we can figure out how to get into them. And we're going to figure out how to get into them. Alright. So this is supposed to have 36 unique colors. I tell you what, this might be good for like kids too. So let's see. If you ever randomly dump 36 mechanical pencils on your table, you might have to do something to manage that, like shove them all out of the way and grab a few. Alright, so let's look at these things. So, let's see. So you advance them that way. Can I go back and put them back in? Okay. So, they're supposed to have built-in sharpener. I guess this is the built-in sharpener. It looks like the built-in sharpener. Alright. So, if I extend this, so these are the June Gold 2.0 millimeter mechanical pencils. They're not too bad. June. The black white's pretty good. Gold 2.0 millimeters mechanical pencil. Alright, so in handling these, just so you understand, these are obviously cheap. These are inexpensive. There's little things that are causing my gloves to stick on them, like they're not super smooth, that kind of thing. But there are also a lot of them. So I think if you're looking for like a bunch of just colored pencils, and I don't know, these might not be bad. June Gold 2.0 mechanical pencil. They're okay. I think that I guess the question is, are they worth $12? Maybe. Maybe they're worth $12. I could kind of see, you know, like putting all the leads back in. Oops. Putting all the leads back in and just shoving them in a coffee cup or a pen cup and having them available if you need a certain color of something. But I don't know if that's tough to say. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check them out. They're kind of, I mean, like, the thing is, they're super cheap, and you get a lot of lead pencilness for your $12. I just don't know if my life needs that much lead pencilness. Anyway, Let me know what you think in the comments. If you think this is a good idea, a bad idea. I think there's like a 72 pencil set too. So anyway, they have big sets of these, and that's why I said it reminded me of the Crayola crayon box of mechanical pencils. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.